Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student, where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all this practice tests are subjective as well as objective in nature. Also, student can take a scholarship exam conducted on Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So students, those are new, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update. I'm Shashank sir, and today I'll be teaching you the chapter perimeter and area. So what are we going to learn today? Today we're going to learn what is perimeters, how to calculate perimeter of closed shapes, how to find the perimeter of rectangle and square, and perimeter of regular shape objects or geometrical figures. So all these things we are going to learn in our today's class. Yes. Now let's do this activity. Join the dots. Okay. Use only straight line. Diagonals are not allowed. Okay. So straight lines. So this is how you join the dots. Now diagonals is not allowed. Okay. Only you need to draw either horizontal or vertical. Yes. Now. Okay. Got this? Yes. Suppose we have a drawing competition in our school and everyone is given a white sheet color, okay, and colors. Now before starting the drawing, we put a boundary line on the sheet, right? So this is the sheet. We put a 1 centimeter boundary dalte hai, right? Yes. So what does the boundary represents? It represents perimeter of the paper sheet. Okay, the boundary of this paper sheet represents perimeter. So what is this perimeter? Okay, perimeter is the total length of the boundary of a closed figure. Yes, total boundary length of a closed figure. Now, two students are asked to walk on the ground to measure the perimeter of the ground. Now see the student one, he is walking like this. Let's choose a triangular path. And the second student, he covers the entire stadium like this. So who do you think has covered the perimeter? Which student is followed the correct path to measure perimeter? Yes, the answer is students 2. So what is perimeter? It is the boundary length of the geometrical figure. So perimeter is also the sum of lengths of all the sides. Yes. Find the perimeters of the closed shape. Okay, sum of all the sides. Okay, to find the perimeter of this shape, measure all the sides. Okay, we have measured, we have these dimensions. Now add them. Adding 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 will give you how much? Okay, 5 plus 6 is 11. This is 5, this is 6. We got 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. 23, this is 4 centimeters, so 27. And 3, we get 30 centimeters. Find the perimeter of the given figure. Okay, how to find the perimeter of this figure? Add all the sides. How much is that? This is 100. This is 25. So this is inclined. Is it okay? Yes, unless it is a straight line. Yes. 25, 55, 40, 20, 80. See, we are starting point A. We should come back to point A again. If you are starting from B, come back again to point B. Wherever you are starting, if you start from D, go in clockwise or anti-clockwise. Come again and reach the same point. Okay. Now add this all. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. So 1 is carried. Let me write it properly. 1 is carried. 0 is written here. So this is 10. This is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. So 20, 23. 230 meters. 230 meters is the perimeter of the given figure. Yes. Let's find the perimeters of some common shapes. Common shapes such as rectangle and square. Let's begin with the square. Square has four sides where all the sides are equal. Let the side be equal to A. All the sides will be equal to A. Add all the four A's. A plus A plus A, you get 4A. Or the perimeter of the square is given by 4 times the side. Okay, in this case, the side is A, so it is 4A. Actually, you should remember like this. The perimeter of a square is given by 4 times the length of each side. Yes, this is the perimeter of the scale. Now, rectangle have 4 sides. Okay, it has 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Now, add perimeter means sum of all the sides. L plus B plus L plus B. There are 2 times L, so it is 2L plus 2B. Taking 2 common, we get 2 times length into breadth. Okay, this is the perimeter of the rectangle twice, or sum of length plus breadth into 2 times. A perimeter of an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are same. Let the side in this case be L. So perimeter of the equilateral triangle is given by 3 times the side of each triangle. The each side is equal to L, so it is 3 times L. Perimeter is 3 times L. Yes. Perimeter of a regular pentagon. Now, in a pentagon, all the sides are equal. Regular pentagon means all the sides will be equal and all the interior angles also will be equal. We are not interested in angle for now. We are only interested in the length. So perimeter is given by. Okay, see, if the word is regular, then all sides will be equal. If it is a pentagon, it may depend, it may vary. Penta means 5. 5 times L. There is a building named Pentagon in America, maybe in Washington or somewhere. So its shape is like this. Okay, if you see from the top, it is like this. 5 times the length of one side. Okay. Fact. Different rectangles with same perimeter can have different areas. Okay. Rectangles are also known as elongated squares. Now see here. What about those perimeters? The two sides are 8 and 2. So the perimeter of this rectangle, let's say P1 is equal to 2 times 8 plus 10. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Perimeter of the second one is 2 times 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 twos are 20. Now perimeters are same. Will the areas be different? What is this word area? Okay, we will discuss about this soon. Okay, we will check that. So perimeters of regular shapes. Okay, all sides of a regular shapes are equal. So perimeter is equal to number of sides into length of one side. Regular shapes means regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular heptagon, octagon. Okay, octagon is having 8 sides into length of one side. This is for octagon. Yes. A general representation of perimeter of a regular shape of side A. Perimeter is equal to number of sides into length of one side, numbers of side into A. Okay. Now see this number of sides. Okay. What is the general representation of perimeter of a regular shape? Okay. For regular shape, number of sides, okay, which is n, into length of one side. Okay, let A be the length of one side. So this is the formula. Yes. For example, regular hexagon. Hexa means 6. 6. Each side, let each side be A. Sir, A क्यों ले रहे हो बार बार? Yes, you can take C also, you can take S also. It is just a representation. For octagon, I already said it is 8 times length of each side. Now, based on what we have learned, let's solve a problem. Find the perimeter of the following shape. Okay, add all the sides, you get the perimeter. Now see here, this is a hexagon, it is having 6 sides, each side are same, so it is a regular hexagon. So the perimeter of this hexagon is number of sides, which is 6, into length of each side. Okay, 6 fours are 24 centimeter. Perimeter of this hexagon is 24 centimeter. Yes. The lid of a rectangular box 50 centimeter by 20 centimeter is sealed all around the tape. What is the length of the tape required? Okay, so see, the lid is a square shape, it is sealed by a tape. What is the length required? This is 50 centimeter, this is 20, ये भी 50 है, ये भी 20 है. Okay, for rectangle the perimeter is given by what? Perimeter is given by P is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. Length plus breadth, 50 plus 20 is 70, and 70 times 2 is 140. So it is, what are the units? Units is centimeter, so it is 140 centimeter. If you don't write centimeter, if you forget the centimeter, your teacher will, you may cut some marks, so don't forget to write the units. A rectangular piece of land measures, okay, this is a rectangle. How much does this measure? It measures 1.5 kilometers and 0.5 kilometers. Each side is to be fenced with 5 rows of wire. Okay, what is the length of the wire required? Okay, so इसके 5 फेरे लगाने हैं. कितने फेरे? 5. Okay, और 2 फेरे हो जाते तो क्या हो जाता? I don't know. Yes, so find the perimeter of this rectangle first. The perimeter of this rectangle is 2 times 1.5 plus 0.75. देखो, कुछ कुछ बच्चे लोग मिस्टेक करते हैं. I'll teach you. After the decimal point there are 2 numbers maximum. तो सारे numbers 2 decimal में लिखने हैं. 0.75. Add them. 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2.25 kilometers. Okay. Adding this, we got 2.25. And 2 times this. 2 times 2.25, 4.4, then 10, which is 4.5. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 4.5 kilometers. Now it has to be fenced 5 rows. 5 rows. Okay, 5 बार करने हैं. So this into 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. Now decimal is there at the top after one number, so place it here. This much length of the fencing wire is required, guys. Okay, piece of string is 60 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side of the string is used to form a square? Okay, in square all the sides are equal, so the perimeter of square, PS, perimeter of square, is given by 4 times the side perimeter is 60, which is 4 times A. Now this is multiplication. If we take the transpose, 60 by 4 is equal to 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. So the each side of the square will be 15 centimeter. Got this? Yes. An equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle, all the 3 sides are same. Okay, so 3 times A is equal to 60. A will be equal to 60 by 3, which is 20 centimeter. Okay, a regular octagon will having 8 sides, will be having 8 sides. So 60 by 8. सर 3 को उल्टा कर दो, हो गया. Yes, और एक उल्टा 3. So A is equal to, or the length of the octagon will be, each side will be 8 sevens are 56. Okay, So 4 will be remaining. 8 5s are 40. So 7.5 centimeter. So कैसे आया sir? Very easy. Just divide 60 by 8. That's all. 60 by 8. 8 sevens are 56. 4. Put a decimal point. Add a 0. Take a 0 here. 8 5s are 40. Remainder is 0. No further division is required. This much is the answer. Got this, guys? Yes. Okay. So all the three answers here are same. The perimeter of a rectangle is 64 centimeter. Okay. The length is triple its breadth. Find the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Okay. Very easy, guys. Dekho. There is a rectangle. Okay. The perimeter is 64. Perimeter is 64 centimeter. The length is equal to 3 times its breadth. So wherever length is there, you put 3b. 3 times b is 3b, and wherever breadth is there, you put b. Now add all the things. 2 times length plus breadth will give you 64. 2 into 3b plus b. 3b is like, think like chocolates. 3 chocolates plus 1 chocolate. 4 chocolates. So 4b. 64. B is equal to 64 by, take transpose of this, 2 into 4. Okay. 4 twos are is 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 eights are 64. So B is equal to 8 centimeter. What about length? Length is 3 times B, 3 times 8, 24 centimeter. This is the answer. अभी check करके देखो. If you want 24 plus 24 plus 8 plus 8. Add them and check, you get 64. Yes? Okay. Find the total cost of fencing the regular field at the rate of 60 rupees per meter, whose length and breadth are this much respectively. कोई बात नहीं है, perimeter निकालो, divided by 60, you get the answer. So the perimeter of the fencing is, okay, it's a rectangle, so 2 times 106 plus 55. How much is that? It is 161. 161, yes, 161 into 2 times. So the perimeter is 2, 2, 322 meters. Now per meter, okay, this is 322 per meter. Now per meter divided by 60. 322 by 60 will get the cost. Cost is equal to perimeter by per meter cost. So yes. So cancel this 0, put a decimal point. 6 5s are 30. Now yes, if you're not used to calculate in mind, so I'll teach you this. Okay, and we will do this. Okay, basically I teach Vedic maths, so Vedic maths teaches you how to do complicated problems in a much easier way, how to do calculations in mind. So you also can book a free trial class on Vedic maths today. It's totally free. Yes, so 6 5s are 30. Remainder is 2. The decimal point is there. Put a decimal point. 6 6 are 6 12, 6 3s are 18. Okay, we're left with 4. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. 6 6s are 36, and so on. Okay, so this will be there. Okay, so I hope I've done this right. Have we done this right? Yes. So just to confirm, let us check one more time. Okay, but why does decimal point? Okay, so find the total cost of fencing a regular field at the rate of 60 per meter. Okay, sorry, I divided it, right? I need to multiply it. Okay, so वही गलती हो गया था. Yes, sorry guys. So देखो यहाँ पे इतना सस्ता, वही मैं सोचूं इतना सस्ता कैसे हो गया. Yes. So perimeter is 322 meters. Okay, per meter, per 1 meter they are charging 60. So 322 meters they will charge rupees 60. Okay, so 322 into 60 कैसे करना है? 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12. So 1932, ये जीरो है, जीरो लिख दो. This much rupees will be the cost of fencing. Yes, that is the right answer. Yes, let's play this quiz. Okay, Apala went to a park 20 kilometers long, this much wide. She took one complete round. Find the distance covered by her. So 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10. 60? Yes. Okay, we will check at the end. Find the perimeter of the figure. Just add all the lengths. Okay, I'm starting from here. Let's start from this point. Okay, so 2 plus 2, 4, 5. Okay, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 20 centimeter. Find the perimeter of this figure. So it is, let's start from here. You can start from any corner. Okay, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 3 13, 14 15 16 17, and 3 is 20. Again the answer is 20. Okay, find the distance traveled by Sangeeta if she takes 5 rounds of a square park of 10 meters. The perimeter is 4a, 4a, which is 4 into 10, which is 40 meters. This is the perimeter. This is the distance covered by her by completing one round, by completing 5 rounds into 5. 5 fours are 20, 0, 200 meters is the right answer. Yes, so I finished. All the 4 problems are right. Yes. Okay, so guys, so what did we learn today? We learned about the perimeter. We learned how to calculate perimeter of a closed shape by adding all the sides. Perimeter of a rectangle, which is given by 2 times length plus breadth, and perimeter of a square, which is given by 4 times each side. And some perimeters of regular shapes such as equilateral triangle, which is 3L, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, ऐसे सारे आज हमने पढ़ाई किया है. So that's all for today, guys. Bye. Have a nice day, everyone. Also, those who are new, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. That's all for today then.